So, hello guys, good evening. I hope you all are doing really fine. Well, I'm doing really fine as well. So, today in this video, we are going to discuss how do we create a board on our Pinterest. So, Pinterest is basically a really interesting app. So, to know that, firstly, open your Pinterest app. See all your feeds and which do you find interesting. Just click on save, and at the down you can see the create board. As you can see, I have created many boards which is helpful for me and it is easy to use as well. So create board. This poster is related to flowers, so I'm going to write flowers and just click on create. Now after going to the profile, at the down corner right here, you can see the flower board right here. You can add as much as you like. This one, and click on save and go to your flower board. Now it will be added to your flower board. 2 pins. So this is all guys. Hope you like our video. If you like our video, please like and subscribe, plus hit the notification bell for further more videos like this. Thank you for watching.